my radio isn't working. Most likely it's a fuse, so we're gonna go check out the fuses. Okay, this is a 2007 Charger. You can see I bought a kit from AutoZone. It was like about 15 to 20 bucks. Busman fuse. So you'll pull up that right there. Press down on the clip. Press on it like this. Press on it and then pull it up. Goes right off. These are all the fuses. So I'm gonna see which is the right fuse, and I'll get right back. The radio fuse, that's the one we're gonna remove, number 20. So the cool thing about the kit, it comes with this tool right here. The tool, you see the little green dot, lets you know if it's working or not. Then you flip it and you set it to the size that it needs to be. ATM, as you can see it on the box, ATM. So we set it to ATM, we remove the fuse, test it to see if it's still working. The middle insides, I know it's kind of hard to see, but you see that burnt inside? It doesn't work. But to for sure test that, it's on ATM. No. And nothing. The tool is very useful. I recommend to buy the whole kit. We're gonna put it back where it belongs, on spot 20. It's in. And we're gonna go see if it works. And nothing. I just wasted y'all time. Okay, so another way you can look at the fuses is the cap. If you turn it around, they're all right there. Alright, so I figured out the problem. So what I ended up doing is I ended up switching, checking all the fuses to make sure they were still working properly. I went one by one, checked if they were faulty, and then I checked if they were in the correct spot and went through every single one. And once that was done, now let's go check the car. Radio. Boom. It's working now.
Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment if you got anything to say.
I'm trying to say please for the subscribe.
Please. At the end of it, just please. This has been See the Salvador, and I'll see you guys next time.